Hi guys, I'm wishing you a great weekend, and today I've got a little flip through of my micro TN setup. It's a Foxy fix and I bought it pre-loved. It's so cute in comparison to my Planner Perfect TN, the Isabella, and yeah. It's a micro and a TN in narrow size comparison. Yeah. It's already again so dark outside and fallish, and I hope the light works. And yeah, let's have a look into it. Okay, here's a little oily clip, rose gold, and this is a die cut from a Planner Society kit, the current one. It's so lovely. Yeah, some stickers, and this is the current freebie from my shop. Yeah, and here I've got some dashboards I made by myself. It is made with the Canvas software. Amanda Lee Plans from Instagram has a little tutorial on her highlights, and yeah, it's a great program to make yourself some cute dashboards and to laminate them. And you can work with pictures, downloads, and Pinterest, and there are some free graphics, and yeah, I did some for my micro TN. This is die cut from Fluffy Angel Stationery. It's so cute. I will link her shop below. And this is a cute little paper clip from Danny Planner Love, even on Instagram, and she has a Facebook group. It's so gorgeous. And yeah, all inserts are from Simple and Trendy Co. from Instagram. I bought the size mini happy planner or micro happy planner, and yeah, they're working for the micro TN. And yeah, these are dot blank ones. This is the back side of the dashboard and or cover, and this is the next one. I really love it. And yeah, these are two pics from Pinterest, and yeah, love and light and some deco. It's really cute. And this is a monthly insert from Simple and Trendy Co. Yeah, these are cute little tabs for my shop, and yeah, it's cute and simple, and yeah, I like it. I like to play with it, some cuteness, and yeah, the back side. And here's another one, happy day, enjoy, really important. And a vellum from my shop. And this is a daily from Simple and Trendy Co. Here's a little time schedule, to-dos, and yeah, it's undated, so that you can use it when you need it. And a little today marker I made with Canva. And yeah, it's perfect for on the go when you've got a little bag, or you don't need your big bag. And yeah, this is my vellum backside, and here's a little jelly cover I made by myself with my sewing machine to have some pockets here and some room to yeah, collect all the cute things. And yeah, these are little Teddy Plants Co. stickers, mini sheets, and this is die cut from a Planner Society kit. And yeah, stickers from my shop. This is a vellum from me, and here's another daily. I really like both dailies, and it depends on the day when I need this one or this one, and I wanted to have both in it. Yeah, even simple and trendy co. Vellum, and here are even some stickers in it. My Shop, Teddy Plants Co., Fluffy Angel Stationery, and yeah, that's so cute. And yeah, another die cut from the Planner Society kit, really fallish, and another little cute insert from Stitch by Manu. She's even on Instagram, and yeah, she made some cute little pouches for every planner size, and it's so gorgeous. And yeah, room for cute little stickers. Here's a freebie from Fluffy Angel Stationery. And yeah, another die cut from a Planner Society kit. And some washi samplers a friend sent me. Yeah, that's it. That was just a little flip through of my current micro TN. Some cuteness for on the go and to play with. Yeah. Okay. Have a great weekend. Stay really happy and healthy and make the best out of all, and see you next time. Bye.